Hello, people. So, this is my fourth video of the day, and I have to say this, people, that these days I've been reading a lot of these interviews by these top celebrities, and also Akshay Kumar's interview, with just before the release of the movie Kesari. Uh, his interview appeared in the Times of India. I read it in the Hyderabad Times, and man, what a gentleman! I mean, he completes, I think, 28 years in the industry, and he's just, my God. I wanted to, like, very few times you want to preserve an interview. This was one of those times. But really, Akshay Kumar sir, if you're watching this video, I mean, let's you know just brilliant. I mean, when you read the interview, you understand why this gentleman is where he is. He's one of the highest taxpayers in the country, from the entertainment field. So just brilliant. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.